digital products, but they are not telling you actually which digital product that you should create and be selling. They are digital products that are a way simpler, unique, and a little weird that you can actually make money way so fast. Yes, that's what I made. They're a little bit weird, unique, but you can create them and they are going to earn you money a little way more faster than other digital products. Maybe the digital products I'm going to talk about, you've heard about them or not yet. Yes, so let's jump in and I'm going to show you these three unique but a little bit weird digital products that you can create and start selling of today. Yes, so the first one, maybe you've heard about people telling you create ebooks. Yes, you can create ebooks when it's a full ebook, or you can create a mini ebook that can help people to solve a problem. Yes, and the tool that we can use to create this ebook is Canva. Yes, when you come to Canva, there are a lot of ebook templates that you can use. So when we come back here to Canva and you put in the word mini ebook or guides, they are going to show you a lot of templates that you can choose and design your digital product. The most important thing is to provide value to people. For example, you can create an ebook about how lame people can fall in love. Yes, even these people need all of this, but in most cases people can create an ebook, how to fall in love for single moms, how to fall in love when you are single. But also, if you tap into this niche, maybe creating an ebook on how to fall in love if you're a lame person, or how to fall in love for blind people, or how to fall in love when you are obese. Yes, this means that you are going to get sales quick. You are tapping into niches, or you are solving a specific problem that people are not regularly writing about, or a problem that people are not really creating digital products about. Yes, or you can create an ebook for how to fall in love for people who are of age, maybe in 50s or 60s, and that is going to skyrocket your sales because you have targeted a good audience, and people, they have not been focusing so much onto into this group of people. So if you want to do this, you can just come here on Canva, choose a template that you can use to design. Yes, you can come here and choose a template that you can use to design. So what you do, you just customize it, go ahead and put in your ebook or what information you want to put. For example, you can change the text here and put in, or how to fall in love for lame people, how to fall in love for blind people, how to fall in love maybe if people who have sicknesses or problems that still want to fall in love and enjoy their life before they die. So that's going to be a good digital product that is going to bring you sales really quick. Yes, another unique digital product that you can create, it's the next one that I'm going to show you. Maybe you've heard about it, but what matters is the way that you are going to tweak it, and it can be able to solve a problem and save somebody's life. For example, if we come here in Canva, we can create digital products for checklists. Yes, for example, it can be a teacher's checklist, or it can be a checklist for people who are diabetic. Yes, like the way they can take their medicine, how many times they're supposed to take their medicine a day, and they need a checklist to help them do that. Yes, or people who have something like cancer, maybe how they do a checklist for their chemotherapy, and so many things. You are being useful and helping these people. Yes, or you can go ahead and ask ChatGPT to give you some ideas that you can use. Yes, and it's going to be simple and easy. You can create it here in Canva. Yes, it can be a morning routine checklist for diabetic people. Yes, it can be a checklist for pregnant women, a checklist for maybe lame people like that. So you can ask ChatGPT to come up with an idea that is really unique, and the idea that people are not really creating about, because you that's why I said these digital products, they are unique and weird. You will not find so many people when they are creating a digital product for lame people. When they are creating a digital product maybe for people who have special disabilities. Yes, and here this is going to help you to help people and build a community of people who are going to be loyal to you and buying from you, because they will know you are helping them to solve a specific problem. Yes, and these checklists, you can do them in different niches. It depends on any niche you want, or you can go with what other people they are doing. The ledger one checklist for YouTube, checklist for this, but those ones are so popular. And if you come up with something that people are not usually seeing, it's going to help you to skyrocket your sales quick and so fast. Yes, then this brings us to our product number 3 that you can create as a digital product and you can sell. Yes, you can sell printables or weekly planners, but it depends on how you are going to strategize this your digital product. For example, if you see this planner, it's just a normal planner, a usual planner that anybody can create. But if you come up with a good title or a good problem that you can solve in this, for example, if you do a weekly planner, as I told you, with for people who are diabetic, or a weekly planner for pastors, yes, there are so many things that you can tweak your weekly planner into. For example, now there are so many weekly planners that are common, like for single moms, um, weekly planners for single dads, but you come up with something unique, a weekly planner for a lame person. Yes, a weekly planner for people with disabilities, weekly planner for people who can't hear properly. That is going to help you to skyrocket, because you are niching it so down, and these people also need a person who can attend to their problems so that they can feel involved in the activities of the things that are happening in this life. And if you think this video is giving you value and is helping you, don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe. And I'm also going to drop down a list of 5 digital products that you can create as a beginner. If you are stuck and you don't know what you can create, I'm going to drop a list of 5 digital products that you can draw, that you can use as a beginner to help you, and I'll put that link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check it out and see what digital product you can create as a beginner. There are 5 of them, so it's not going to overwhelm you. You can choose what you can start with. Yes, you can choose what you can start with and go ahead and create your digital product. Yes, you can go ahead and create your digital products. And the good thing about this, what you can even do, you can bundle these products that I have shown you, and bundle them and put them into one. For example, you can sell a mini ebook for people, for lame people, and also create a weekly planner for lame people, and also go ahead create a checklist for them. In this way, you are going to price your product higher, and it's going to be helpful, because a person will not have to buy these things 3 times. He will have to buy them at one time, and they are all bundled together, they are in one package, so you'll be solving a problem in one digital product. Yes, you can add them together into a bundle. An ebook for lame people, you add a weekly planner for lame people, so as they are reading their ebook, they have a weekly plan that can help them to plan their days ahead, and also a checklist that can help them to check when they have drank their medicine, when they are supposed to eat. So these 3 products, you can join them together, you and make them beautiful and unique, and you'll be touching lives in a different way. It's not all about money, but it's all about changing lives. Who are you reaching out to? Are those people feeling good as they are using your digital products? So you can combine them and make them into a bundle that you can use. And another way that you can maximize and skyrocket your digital product business, for example, you can provide a freebie for anybody who would like your digital product. So you can get a freebie for them, maybe a freebie on how to use these digital products, or a freebie on how to help the people you have chosen. Maybe you are helping lame people or any other specific group of audience that you have chosen to do a digital product about. So you can create a freebie for them. Maybe you can create a freebie like weekly planner or an ebook. And what this is going to do for you, it's going to help you to build your email list. So if a person comes and sees your digital product, maybe where you are selling them or online, and they are interested, maybe you can create a freebie about how a lame person can feel comfortable in the society, how they can have confidence to move around and not to feel tired or to nag about their situation, to love themselves, to care for themselves. So if you create a freebie like that, and when you create a freebie like that, these people are going to opt into your email list. And when they come into your email list, that is going to help you to build an audience which later you can sell to. For example, if a person comes and sees your ebook teaching a lame person how to have self-confidence, or a person who is of base, who is struggling in any area of their life to have self-confidence, to love themselves, to not care about what people are saying to them, then if they see that freebie or that free ebook that you've created for them, then there are chances that they will come back and buy the weekly planner, the ebook that you have created, or the mini ebook, or the checklist that you have created for them. For example, you can come here and Canva and do a self-love checklist for lame people, how they can love themselves, how they can appreciate themselves. So when you do this checklist and you create it as a freebie for them, or an ebook, anyone you want, then you give it to them as a freebie. Then they will come back to check out your products, and that's where you can sell your bundle, which you have banded the weekly planner for lame people, ebook, and the checklist, so they can come later and buy if your ebook or if the freebie that you are providing is making sense. Yes, and if you're asking where can I sell this digital product, so I'm going to show you platforms where you can sell your digital products. Yes, creating a digital product is good, but if you don't have where you're going to sell your digital product, then that's the problem. Yes, so the first platform that I can recommend is Gumroad. And the good thing about Gumroad is you are going to start from zero. As it's written here on their website, you don't have to pay any upfront fees to sell anything. What you do, you just upload your digital product, and you have to drive traffic to your digital product. And if you are wondering how can I drive traffic, you can use platforms like Pinterest. They will help you, or other social media platforms. Or if you have a YouTube channel like me, you can be posting maybe your products on your community post, or leaving the link in the bio, things like that. Then another platform you can use is this one, which is called beacons.ai. It will also help you to sell your digital products. And another one that you can use is Etsy. The good thing about Etsy, they have an already inbuilt in traffic, but you're supposed to pay money for each listing that you make, for each product that you list on their platform. Yes, so it will depend on you if you want to use Etsy or you want to go with Gumroad or Beacons. So it will depend on you. You can choose the one that you feel will be good for you to start out as a complete beginner. Yes, you can go ahead and use that. And if you even don't want to show your face, you can promote your digital products on social media platforms using faceless leaves, even without showing your face. So, as I have said, I'm leaving a link in the description for you where you can go and see other more digital products that you can create. Yes, and it's going to help you as a beginner. They are not difficult to create, it's simple and easy. So you can go ahead and create all these digital products and start your digital product today. And I'm also going to leave a video up here which is also going to guide you on how you can create the digital products from scratch. So it will be up here, so you can go ahead and watch that video next after you have finished. And if you feel like you want to start your digital products business but you don't have time to create products by yourself, I make already done for you digital products, so you can also use the link in the description to check out the already made for you digital products that you can just edit and customize to your liking, and you go ahead and start selling. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe.